Letter sounds or letter names. What should be taught? Each letter of the English alphabet has three aspects: letter name, letter sound, and letter symbol. As in phonics, children are taught to read by blending the sounds
cat,
and spell by identifying the individual sounds in word.
cat,
It is important at an early stage only letter sounds are taught, not the letter names. Children get confused easily if letter names are taught along with the letter sounds, which can cause blending issues. We'll discuss more about this point in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned.